Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So ito ang mga kaganapan bago mag-end ang 2024. So marami ako mga nagawang video pero walang na-upload. So this time i-upload natin, kaya lang late na. But it doesn't matter kasi ito yung mga milestone ng aking Junakis and our moments together. So for today video, pumunta kami sa Mughal Mahal sa city. Kakatuwaan pa nga kami kasi sumakay kami ng sasakyan na hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Nagtatanungan pa. So itong asawa ko, naka-mindset na pala na sa Mughal Mahal kami dadalhin since matagal na kaming hindi lumalabas. So here we go. Kain time, lamon time. So this is how we celebrate our Christmas Eve.
Yala, let's go. Pero magninang nag-aaway.
So dito kasama namin sila Tinong at Tina. Nagkataon day off nila. So bonding and moment namin.
Lock the door, Daddy.
Salad, cream of chicken for ate. So Sophia also can have it. Oh, here the salad. You want? Okay.
What you want, Pabo?
Masarap yung ano nila dito. Big girl na talaga ang aking baby Sophia, oh. Sa straw na siya umiinom. Ayaw niya na sa bote niya. Andali, put with. Yes, Yan yung asawa ko nakikiride. Kung ako ang cameraman yun, may comment na naman yan. Shoutout pala sa aking cameraman, si Tinang Tunet.
We ordered this ice cream.
Tea time! Akala mo walang tea sa bahay eh. Especially yung tea nila. It's
Okay?
masala.
She feels sleepy.
You want hot tea? Tasty, tasty. Sip. Tomorrow what to do? That's it? Can we see the picture, please?
Sana all may magandang beach.
1, 2, 3, smile! Yes, go there.
Please show.
I'll click your button. Okay na. Hello guys! Ito ba ako? Welcome back to my channel. And this is how we celebrate our Christmas Eve. Hi! There you go. Thank you. Merry Christmas to everyone!